Dancing wings, mini Savage bobber, indoor plane or light winds, aileron elevator, rudder, engine on. Here we go. Wow, straight away. Try and keep it close because I know how small she's going to get. Right, let's try some aerobatics. Up there, loop. Roll. Ooh, she does roll. Not as quick as I thought, but let's try a stall turn. Ooh, that's a powerful rudder. That cloud, look at it. I think it's going to rain. Let's try a bit of inverted. Oh, let's fall down. That was exciting. Perhaps I shouldn't have tried it quite so low. Considering how much down elevation I've got. Well, she's not overly twitchy, she's not overly aerobatic. Loop's nice. Let's try a low level loop. Those loops are wicked. Look at that, how tight can you go? See if I do it even lower. Bring her around, nice and steady. Oh, oh dear, I had to duck then. I was being silly. I heard something crack. What was it? What was it? No? I didn't hear anything crack at all. No? It's okay. Maybe the strut saved the day. Let's do it again. Stop being silly, Cliff. It's good to test how tough they are when they do crunch. I'll include that in the video because it's good to see. She's a fun bird, I gotta say. Slows down really nice. Haven't actually tried a stall. Oh, I think my battery's about depleted, so let's land. Downwind landing, Cliff's ejected as usual. So, prop saver on it so it moves around. That was alright, guys. She flies really beautifully. Dancing wings, mini Savage bobber. Tough as old boots, hit with a seam. And great fun little airplane. Those loops were amazing, weren't they? I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out the various options. The more radio gear you have with them, the pricier they get. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the build video, which I'll link just up on the left of the screen now. Sorry, that's the right of the screen, my left. I'll link it just here. Should be on the screen now, and see the build video. I did it over 2 videos because it's quite a big build video, but the whole plane was built in 1 day, so you can do the same. Thanks for watching, and give us a like and give us a comment. Cheers guys, bye.